You can expect a lot from the 2015 Nissan Leaf. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. Top features include air conditioning, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated front and rear seats, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.